Tin ni nama kibikuar kere Lugum Kom me Acoli Daudi Okello gini ket Jildo Irwa walungo gini Uganda Matters me tunkumala me Uganda kineko gi wachon 1918 ikarma gen gi cher kapoko ne wachi lokangea
kapoko lok pa Kristo gin guto pi dini megi yes and I remember abero ka kwano history about Jildo gin ki Okello ni gen ario en wanyo de wakatakis katakis belu fonye dini ko yes so the fact that gino gicher do pa do dugola village to village mano gi were miles and miles and miles by then even lela be no food pere can you imagine Emma kachiaro ka gena ka fonyo gena gospel nyo ka fonyo lok pa ba ki chaden pa gena pa Yesu Kristo and you remember by then no dong I think the matters may gena make kan enemy mati within the central region the namugongo matters no gindongi wa so en gin ko bero among dano magin all guno that opportunity me kwano lok pa dini. So I think that is how they all went like that because it was all over Uganda ni by then traditional leaders no gin gitiki mindset maraj kum lok pa dini and by the way Emma chamu kene ka achera way back a rewinding and you see history is a very good lesson kene ngo lok matika time wi lobo kumbeti eneni itamo ni gwok nyo the colonial masters gin gubero react to go in now jo any couple hotel kong dini bodgi they'll resist kay kwan book pala did makiloni Karl Marx will tell you religion is the opiate for the sick or for the lazy how you interpret it now jo any gubero very smart niko hotel kong dini bodgi after that do traditional leaders no gin go cooling down but remember ni traditional leaders gin bene by then let me tell you Africans are bright kari no ni pegu chiar gang kwanti riya money mati nacho
of course
manu ba mi okilo tela mame kwa me Africa ento kene ni en deal lobo mukene manu gubini wine no way how can a black man be brighter than me so but regardless of that religion came okwanyi wa mabet to we today we are talking about Okello and they are the matters of Uganda and in terms of tourism Emma what does it teach us
of course Paimol kumbe all roads lead to Paimol tyen part
while down to the word gichara Paimol I don't think the government has put keen interest on developing that place Merogen miachel miario no one bothers about it so it is an affair but jomagitamani perete
very well last year no dak all apart
now for the last 2-3 years you will never see anything that is tangible ni government teka kwanyu chene ketika katne Paimol kono lutela mamegwa mati actually the only person who has always been at the forefront of Paimol is Ambassador Larubi where you see him working with the people ento inke ko kayub monetika bino we already say geomatica yub magatika neno Paimol mero Paimol betieni what do they take as interesting for them because for us now as we celebrate Matters Day Matika Bini next year in June. The budget is all there, everything is already there. By
the way, Pat,
that is how organized things are.
Matters Day next year, Nebidas for the Catholic. Nebidas is the one leading.
Hosting. So, early preparation, failing to plan is planning to fail. Nebidas already has a budget, a roadmap, how they want to have these things go.
I'm on that committee,
Lugum Paimol, and you can't hear anything to do with the budget, you can't hear anything to do with the prayers, you only hear 1-2 people saying we are walking. Where is the interest of government in trying to make this thing also look clean?
You raise a very important point. Pian kumbeti Jimmy Wang te pe Jimmy Wang all roads eyes tina ini na Kwero ni pa Jildo Okello gine ke Daudi.
Emma, just a moment before you close up on that. I actually tipped a little bit in an article look pa tourism. And I remember some time back the former Archbishop Mekampala Cyprian Ranga, may his soul rest in eternal peace. Obino calling upon the government of Uganda. When you guys government look what we are investing in religious tourism. How can we use the religious sites to Uganda Matters and Paimol pa Jildo Irwa. Then when you go to Munyonyo Kakany and do you know that we even have the Muslim Matters? They are there. But the government through Ministry of Tourism is not doing enough. Today, I would have loved so much Kanero Minister knew even the director of Uganda Tourism Board. She's even from North. Ajarva ka won ena mako she should be the one at the forefront. Minenia okay fine. We are gi aiku tungmal me Uganda. Wachopoka tiyu tourism karachel ku religion ne nedi.
In the same spirit, gina patika waja. Atamne the exact attention makemeo ke 3rd June matters is the same attention mamirkemeki kwe Daudi Okello gene ket Jildo Irwa inarwe. Karen ene gino guber gen PRO ki wiye gen egone gen ario ke kan and very why Kilonio beautification pa Daudi was late kitimala 2002. Yes, so it's a bit new, but we can do better.
Interest mamegwa tieni while we push it forth dano mirongeni jomaleng mamegwa we pray for them, we keep them busy. Like what editing news money more damage through the intercession of Jildo and Okello. Let's keep on praying. And to watch beni nerva Emma kama kikeri lega kichera kijuera Mwaka kichel kama kikeri lega, it becomes like, you know, while we are trying to promote domestic tourism, we should put value. You reap from where you invest. Gamente miroket chene minene kabirione ke gwa mabe luak makunu mirne, that is a scarce place. Kamecherie na mugongo in kichero in an ordinary day you pay 2,000 shillings to take a walk around there. So at any who takes care of it? How important is it to the local people, to the country? We are saying every small space in terms of religious tourism must be protected, must be given the weight. And to kwarne ninde pierario, kapiera dogotek. And our people in Chalo Jamako Malachane, Gimar Chai Jimmy. Oh, yeah, Kadoki were born Gary, don't want go. Don't leave it.
But Pat, even the Gulu Archdiocese, which is the mother diocese, make Katoli in the whole of Ghana, northern Uganda. Gitika Kwere. I think this is also a very big task, and we need to call upon them. Much as what are calling upon government. Lugwagang ene matite madida is the Gulu Archdiocese. Mati diocese madidme northern Uganda. So I think Genberom Yergu stepping up before even the government comes in. It is through the Archbishop. Genom Yergu chawaraga ki government.
Yes.
Yeah.
Daudi Okello gini ket Jildo Irwa luleng ma gen Kwero genyo ki beautify gen nian Mwaka alibario kerio gen kuto wa in 1918 lutian matian Mwaka pawe boro ki Mwaka pawe bungwen ikan magen ko chako lok me tero nyo fonyo lok parba iken ping makineko gen I Paimol birki Kwero me Kwero ge nendo piario me do mapa Mwaka ki Mwaka petika wor no bede twalo tika chalo